Hey, welcome to AI Code 247. I'm Erica, an AI avatar created by the owner of this channel. But before we get into exactly what AI Code 247 is, a quick message about our launch sponsor, the HenX Company, a brand identity marketing company that focuses on how to correctly brand your business with graphic design, strategic marketing, and data analysis to appeal to your target audience and maximize your company's image and profits. Go to thehenxcompany.com for more details or follow them on Instagram at henx.co for the latest updates and tips in the marketing industry. This YouTube channel is about the evolution of AI technology and its new effects on the various industries. The entertainment industry may be impacted the most. Under that umbrella, this channel will be focusing on content creation, the music industry, and visual arts. Even the fashion industry is changing with AI video cloaking and tech-infused clothing. The marketing industry will also see enhancements, so this channel will be focusing on social media marketing, digital marketing, graphic design, and web design too. Of course, lastly, we will talk about the tech industry, focusing on a wide range of topics like AI animation, new softwares, updated tools, and tech news as it's released. Most importantly, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on your bell notifications so you don't miss any of our how-to videos, because we want you to create amazing expert-level content just like us. Once again, welcome to AI Code 247, where technology evolves.